Hello, I hope that you guys are doing well. In today's video, I'm just going to hit a reset, refresh of the home. So if you need that motivation, stay tuned. Concerning the bedroom, I feel like there is nothing better than fresh sheets on a bed. Yes, I have to get a mattress protector. It's been a while since I haven't had one. The last one I had kind of get all dirty and messed up since I've washed it. But yeah, so I'm just giving my room a refresh, changing the sheets, dusting off some areas, and putting things back where they should be instead of where I put them out of a rush or something like that. So while I was cleaning the bedroom, I actually put a set of clothes to wash. These are already dried, so I'm just gonna take these down. We're gonna back in the bedroom, fold them, put them away, so everything is done, and I could have the space to hang the rest of the clothes. And by the way, if you are new here and this is the first time you're seeing me, hi, my name is Radi. I do videos on motivational cleaning, travel videos, lifestyle videos here and there. So if this is something that you like, make sure to hit the subscribe button, like, share, comment, do what you need to do to support your girl. And yeah, let's just continue. I've grown used to cleaning and walking around with this bag that you see here. I don't have a basket, so I use a bag. It's just easier to put everything in, like the clothes that I'm about to fold, and just carry them where I have to. I do the same thing for in the bathroom. I think you guys have seen me use this multiple times, but it just makes things easier and faster to move around instead of just going and picking up everything piece by piece. And then that's just like a lot more walking than it should actually be. But yeah, I just have this one dedicated bag that I use, and if ever it get dirty, which I haven't seen it got dirty yet, I just clean it and reuse it. I know this is one of the shortest videos I've ever made while cleaning my entire home in a day, but it still take a day even though you have multiple things doing at the same time. For example, here I'm picking up the stuff I while I'm gonna clean the bathroom, I'm actually gonna put them to wash, so I have two things doing at the same time, but it still takes a day, and it's just the editing and the montage is what went quick. But there are some good things that I do now that made my cleaning faster. One, having a routine. Like for the bathroom, before it used to take me a long while before I used to do this technique with the broom and just clean it and stuff. The bathtub doesn't get as dirty as it used to because I think I clean it often. Same thing for like the bedroom. I have like the specific things, but I'm just doing a quick thing. It's not a deep cleaning. Obviously, if it was a deep cleaning, it would take really, really long. So yeah. Also, let me talk about this silicone toilet brush. I've had it for a year now, or if not over a year. And just in case you're deciding that maybe you want to get one for yourself because it's good or whatever, I do feel like it gets in areas a normal toilet brush wouldn't get with the bristles and stuff. However, when it's time for like actual deep cleaning, like if you have grime or slime or all of those things stuck on the bottom of your toilet, it doesn't really do the job. So I feel like you would need both, and we actually do kind of have both, but that's a bummer. But in general, it does reach areas that a normal toilet brush wouldn't. For that's my personal opinion. This is just your friendly reminder to take a break, hydrate, cheers. I just mix mine with a little bit of lemon. I heard that it's good for your skin and everything else. My mother actually told me this, and it's best to take early in the morning before you eat anything else. But when I miss out, I just try to take it during the day. So yeah. Also wanted to remind you, if you are not aware yet, that I have opened an Etsy shop. Yay! I'm trying it out. I'm see if it will work. After doing my course during December to July-ish, I got my diploma and everything. Was looking for a job, but maybe thinking on doing some freelancing. So I'm seeing what people has to say about my eye or my type of design using multiple apps. It could be Illustrator, Canva, etc. But yeah, I opened an Etsy shop. There's a bunch of Christmas prints. Well, a few, not a bunch. I just added 2 new ones, and I'm running a sale right now, obviously for first time customers or any customers, but just be one of the first to support and encourage me. And I hope that you find something that might fit your Christmas decor. And if you do, let me know in the comments which one you liked. Anyways, enough rambling, let's go. Unlike the bathroom and the bedroom, I feel like the kitchen area, I haven't mastered it yet. I don't know why, but, and probably you guys are going to tell me that's normal. I will clean it, it will be clean, and then I would have to use it again to make some type of snack, some type of food, especially if you eat like about 3 times a day, which is for me normal amount of times to eat. We always, have things to do like that, which is, I feel like it's kind of annoying sometimes that you want to cook, but at the same time when you cook you have so much to clean. But yeah, so my kitchen is always like in a mess, but here I'm just doing the normal undersurface stuff. Again, not a deep cleaning type of thing. And while I'm doing this, I didn't mention it before, but I'm actually accessing each area of my home, kind of getting excited for Christmas again. So I'm gonna see where I have space or where I can hang or put some ornaments, Christmas ornaments type of stuff. So yeah. Being on point with the cleaning also comes with like pre-cleaning preparation, such as if you have a vacuum like mine where you have to charge it, then you would have to remember to charge it when you want to use it. You would have to clean it because it's not a self-cleaning vacuum or self-cleaning charging vacuum. The same things goes for the mop, for example. Sometimes you would have to clean it or what's not, get a new head, etc. So it's good to have a planning, which I don't. I just do it in a feeling. I kind of used to follow planning, but I feel like that was putting too much stress. So I just go with the flow for right now. I just feel like it's easier. And the home is now kind of clean. I know I have some areas you would see that I didn't touch up at all, but I'm so happy with the most important areas that are clean. It's just the best feeling. I'm done. The house is mostly clean, which means to say I wouldn't have much to do when I'm putting up Christmas decorations, which I'm so excited for. I haven't done a inventory yet, but I have been doing little crafts here and there. If you follow, you know. And I just want you guys to know also, I'm gonna try and do Vlogmas. I don't know if I will succeed, but I'm gonna try. So the idea is to bring a little bit of magic in you guys' lives. Starting December 1st until the 25th, I'm going to be posting every day. So we're gonna try to hold up to that. But yeah, I'm so excited. Make sure to subscribe, like, so you don't miss a video. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.